Hey guys, it's me, Layla, and today I'm playing Fashion Famous. And I'm gonna copy people's outfits. I'm gonna copy people's outfits. I'm only gonna do 2 rounds. Actually, yeah, 2 rounds. One, I'm going to be copying someone's outfit. And 2, I'm just going to not copy someone's outfit. So, what is he doing? He's weird. Okay. Come on. Okay, this is like not doing anything. So. Ooh, I'm gonna climb this. La la, la la. What? Oh, let me climb. La la. It's not like, oh, there we go. I'm a fashionista. Okay. What is it doing? Okay. So it's already been 1 minute here. I just want to leave this place. So. Okay. What is it doing? I'm gonna see if I'm gonna copy this person. First, Rosie Flowers 5522. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're almost wearing the same thing. Except I'm wearing a necklace and we're not wearing the same thing. Okay, it's literally been 2 minutes. And we have gone nowhere. What is happening with this? It's actually been 3 minutes. What? Celebrity? She's a VIP? Oh. Yeah. She is a celebrity. That's not fair. Celebrity. Celebrity. Oh my god. This is so. It's been 3 minutes. This thing I've gone nowhere. This thing is not. Okay. So, what is happening? Just let me travel. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. What's happening? Why is it doing this? Oh, okay. So, welcome to Fashion Famous. The category is nerds are cool. Okay, so we're gonna copy the girl. Wait, what? Where is he? Where is he? She, where is she even? Oh, she's not playing anymore. Huh. Okay. Copy. Go. Something's wrong with my computer. Laggy. Go. What is happening? My computer is lagging. Okay, there we go. Copying this person here. Oh no, my battery's running low. No, guys. Nerves are cool. Oh, I think it was the shirt. Go, get it. Hey, where is she? Okay, I'm not copying anybody. There she is. Okay. Got pants. These ones. Right here. Okay, where is she? She's in the panda shorts. Where is she? She's already picking up. Okay, so these headphones. What face was it? I'm just copying her the best I can. Wait, where is she? Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. There she is. There. Did I get the right face? The face is the hardest part. Oh, I think you know. Whoever that is. I think they know. Did I get the right skin color? I mean, no, face. Did I get the right face? Oh, where are they? Where are they? Where? Oh, there. No, I did not get the right face. So I think I remember it. It was maybe, I don't know, I'm just using this one. Oh my gosh, my battery. Sorry guys. Okay, so where's my copier person? Oh, there they are. They got a different body. Okay, so I think it was maybe this one. No. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm just doing this one. I want this one. No, I don't. I want it to be regular. There. Where are they? Okay. So I know I can do the face right. I have to. Oh. I think they got this body. No! No! This one. Okay. Okay. You step in my hair. Alright. It's been 8 minutes. I have a timer. Well, not. I have a clock on my computer, but you guys probably can't even see it. So, okay. Big Bad Panda. I'm giving that a 2. Oh, is that me? No. This is the person I copied. Okay. I'm giving you 4 stars. I'm actually just doing this round, guys. I lied about when I was saying it. Like, not copying someone. Doing that, too. I better be on here quickly, shortly, because I want there to be 6 more minutes. Oh, okay. I don't think I voted on the last one. I don't like that at all. Okay, is it me? Oh, it's me. Okay. I'll tell if I got first place because of the classes. If I'm on top 3. There's 5 more people. And I want it to be 5 more minutes till this video ends. Okay. 3. I'm not nice. I don't give people 5s. It needs to be perfect. Like so perfect. Ooh. I give that a 1. That does not. Oh, the winners. Oh, I didn't get top 3. Dang it. I think it shows which place I'm in. It actually does, but. Oh, I got last. Are you serious? 5? Are you? What? Okay, guys. Well, that is the end of the video. So, see you in my next video. Bye.